Hey, my name is Max from Cycling Boutique, and in this video I want to show you this incredible build of this Pinarello Dogma F. It's a custom build, and we are currently here in Tenerife on the volcano Teide, testing new bikes, testing new products, and in detail in this video I want to show you how we build up this bike, why it's so light, and what makes it so special. Enjoy this video. The frame is the latest version of the Pinarello Dogma, the Pinarello Dogma F. The paint scheme is called Plutonium Flash, and we tried to combine all the components so it really matches the silver black fluent way, and also mix the 3K accents the frame has. The bike is equipped with the complete Shimano Dura Ace R9270 group set, the A2 version disc of course, and the crank is tuned up from THM Clavicula SE. Beautiful looks with the carbon TE chainrings, and this combines perfectly into this bike. And for the rear derailleur we went for something new. It's the Kogel Aero oversized pulley wheel system, which just came out like 1 month ago. The wheels are lightweight Meilenstein Evo tubeless wheels equipped with Pirelli P-Zero tires and Pirelli P-Zero tubes inside. Before we come to the bottle cages, here you see this really nice mixture of 3K carbon in the frame, so this is why we choose a mix of 3K carbon and UD carbon with the components. For the bottle cages we used Altitude bottle cages, super leggero, they just 9 grams per bottle cage. One interesting thing is the cockpit from Darimo called Epsilon. This integrated bar stem combo is around 190 grams lighter than the original most Pinarello cockpit. The seat post is also from Darimo. It's around 70 grams lighter than the original Pinarello seat post. The saddle is Selle Italia SLR Boost Superflow. Very nice saddle, very light and still comfortable. Now it's time to talk about some numbers. First of all, of course, the weight. We got scale weight right here. So I want to grab this one. It's of course with pedals, with bottle holders, and with the Garmin mount. So, and we have 6.83 kilograms ready to ride actually, and I think that's a really incredible weight for like an aerodynamic bike. And yeah, what's about the price of this bike? If you want to build up a bike like this, you have to think about an invest of around 20,000 euro. It's due to the very costly wheels and the Darimo parts and everything. But as you see on the weight, 6.8 kilograms is really a great weight for a bike like this. And yeah, we are gonna continue and give you some feedback of what we tested, what we ride it, and gonna enjoy the next couple of days here in Tenerife. And yeah, stay cool and keep riding.